Okay, so I'm in a hotel room right now. Or am I? Okay, so this is what it looks like with my tapestry on there and the clamps to hold it down. Okay, so these are all the parts for the background backdrop stand, the bag, and then the 3 pieces and the 4 clamps. I just wanted to let you know that don't do what I did. Like this part, the top part of the T goes on top of this, but do you see how I smashed this thing with the screw in there? What you're supposed to do is unscrew this thing basically so that it's a complete, so the screw is definitely not in there. And then that part goes all the way up in there beyond that screw. And then the screw kind of goes to that part. Okay, so here's the carrying case. I'm pretty happy with it. However, they made a mistake. It should have been longer for these pieces to fit in so that when you fold it over, there's no gaps. Do you see how these sticks can fall out? And these can fall out too. So I was kind of disappointed in the bag. It seemed like a simple mistake, but nevertheless, this is a very, very good thing to have. I love it.